is going on? It is the morning of event number 2 of Autocross. So the car's all loaded up. We're getting ready to head on out. Trying to carry the momentum from the last event. So last event went really good. At one point I had FTD and top packs. And that was in the 3rd heat. So the car is really good right now. Unfortunately, 4th heat was some faster drivers, and I dropped down to 4th overall and then 2nd in packs. And this is overall time, so I was 1st in class, which there was not any other Cam T cars. There were some Cam C cars, quite a bit, but I was the only one in Cam T and that was with ODR. The club this weekend with TSAC, so they run a class they call provisional, and it will have all of Cam T, all of XS, and then RTE, which is Raw Time Expedition. So I'll be going up against the Cam C, Cam S, XSB, XSA, and RTEs, which they don't have, their times aren't packs, so that kind of hurts them. But yeah, so we'll see how the car does against all those other competitors, which after last weekend, I'm actually feeling very confident. So, but there are some really fast cars and some fast drivers in that class this week. So we'll see how the car and how I do against that. The weather is looking really good. It's going to be cooler than last weekend. I think we're only going to be in like the mid 60s, which might actually help out with the tires and everything. I've heard that the RT 660s don't like too much heat, even though they are good as a track tire. So we'll see how that kind of works out. But yeah, they were starting to get a little warm after 5 runs, and I'm not sure if Ashley and I will be in the same heat this time. Last time we were in different heats, which worked out very well. If we're in the same heat, then we're going to be the 2-car driver and having to switch off, and it's going to be a hassle. So hopefully we can be in separate heats again. That worked out really well. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the track.
All right, we're starting first runs. So this is run number 1. So the course looks pretty fast. It's got a few tight areas, but a lot of straightaways. So we'll see. The fastest time that I think I've heard so far is like a 38 something. So. Start of third runs. That last one was a 39.9, which I don't think has been beaten yet in my class. So feeling confident on that. Just the car is like on, I'm having to drive the car like on the edge, but it feels really good. These tires are just hooking. Feels really good. So starting run 3, we'll see if we can drop off any more time off of it. Awesome time. Got a 40.3, so lost 0.4. To start run number 4. So last run dropped off a little bit, got a little squirrely and stuff like that, so I need to clean it up. A GT350R ran 39.6, so I need to pick up a little bit. I'm still at the 39.9. Still 40.3. Starting final run. 4th run, some people put the hammer down. The Trans Am in my class, he ran 39.8, and then the GT350R ran like a 39, like 0.3 or 0.4. So last run, time to Time to make it count. Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Got it up here too, Wills.
All right, come on.
All right, thank you for watching our autocross videos.
They've been really fun
Yeah, so far
to put up.
the start of the year has been really fun. The videos have been fun to put together. So we'll get into the results. So we'll start off with ladies. So Ashley finished first in her class and was 0.079 seconds ahead of second place. So really close. It was a lot of fun to watch. And the person that was in second place is a really good driver, really fast car. So actually, second place did have a faster raw time, but since the class is all PAX based, Ashley was able to come out on top based on the PAX time. And then for my class, which is also PAX based, I finished in second, and I was 0.1 second behind the first place person, and then the third place person was 0.1 second behind me. So it's all super close. In fact, the top 5 or 6 places in my class were all less than a second. There's a less than a second from first to 6th place, so it's all super close. It's really fun. We're having a great time. It's nice actually having competition to race against. In the previous years running in C Repaired, there was nobody. It was just me. So it's nice to not be one of one anymore. So the car, as we said, is handling great. Everything is working as designed on the car. Nothing broke, no issues. So hopefully we'll just continue that streak going for the rest of the year. And
hopefully I continue my first place streak.
Yep.
That was my first time getting first, so that was awesome.
So yeah, so we'll continue, try to get a winning streak going. Ashley's got her first place going, so I need to see if I can get some first places. It's a whole season to go, so this is only the first event.
We're going till December.
And this event, or this club will run all the way to December. So we got a lot of events to go, and then there's some drops in there too that we factored in. So thank you for watching, and we will see you guys at the next one.
Bye.